Good morning. It is what date? What's the date, Mother?
Saturday.
Date, not day.
24th.
The 24th of October. It's gonna be over soon. So we're going into. I was about to say Lynn. We're going into Ely, not Lynn. I got my Range Rover hat on, as per usual. Gonna get some street cafe, hopefully. Gonna go get some stuff to make some cool things. It's gonna be fun. We're at Street Cafe. Mother.
Peter, can you please put some juice on my plate?
I got my usual. We're in the car now. Going home, I think. Are we going co-op?
No, we're going home.
No, we're going straight home.
Going home. Don't know what to do when we get home. We're going home. It's raining outside. Right,
You can't see it, it's flooding everywhere.
yeah, it's raining then. It's wet.
It's more.
That's the end of today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's very wet outside, so we'll see what it's like tomorrow, and we might take the RCs out for a little go. Bye for now.